Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Shiprocket to Shopify step by step. So connecting Shiprocket can make it easier to manage the shipping and delivery side of your Shopify orders, and the setup itself is fairly simple. So to get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click on Apps. So this is where you can find and manage the apps connected to your Shopify store. Next, use the search option and type Shiprocket, and once Shiprocket appears in the results, click on it to open the app page. So in here, you can quickly track the information about the app before continuing. After that, click the install button to add Shiprocket to your Shopify store. Once the installation starts, simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. You may be asked to connect your Shiprocket account and complete the required setup. Just go through each step until the connection is finished. So once everything is set up, Shiprocket will be connected to your Shopify store, and you can start using it to help manage your shipping and order fulfillment. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.